Welcome everyone. So today we're going to solve a word problem which literally 90% of the people got it wrong. So now let's understand what happens when these kind of questions come into place. So the question given here is a group of 20 people has the oldest person with 90 years of age. Okay, and the average of the group is reduced by 4 if the oldest person is replaced by someone new. So find the age of the new person. So now let's understand that let the 20 people, okay, so there will be some total of the rest of the 19 people, okay, and the last person, which is what, of 90 years of age, okay, when you divide that by 20, here you get the average. Let's say the average is A. Now they are saying that when I replace, means this 90%, 90 years of age person is removed and we are adding it by someone new. Let that someone new's age be 10, be 5. Now you're dividing it by 20 and this here the average, original average reduces by 4. Okay. So what we will say is, see, this is cancelling. So here you can say that total plus b upon 20 equals to, instead of a, I'll put this value. So it is what, total plus 90 upon 20 minus 4. Taking LCM on this side, we will have total plus b upon 20 equals to total plus 90 minus 80 upon 20. Now if you see, 20 is getting cancelled on both sides. So we will have, therefore, we are just left with total. Let that total, I'm just writing it as what, t plus b equals to t plus 10. 90 minus 80 is 10. And both sides, we can subtract both sides by t. So therefore, I can say the new age is nothing but what, 10. So here I can say the answer for this particular question is 10 years old. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.